let's go ahead and get started with for Elise. You ready? For Elise, we're just doing the A section, so we'll save that on there. So I can feel you hitting it with this part of your hand. Can you push these fingers down a bit and hit it like that? Yeah, try that. There you go. Now try that on this one. Okay, now push your hand up a little bit and come down on it. If we turn it sideways though, you might have to hit it with that part too. Try hitting it with this part of your hand and just kind of go up the hill. Actually, that actually sounds better. So 150 seconds, you had 21 wrong notes. Your target time is to get down to 35 seconds. Make it pretty. Goes back to see this here.
Oh, right.
Do you see a pattern anywhere? What do you see?
They're all the same.
Which one's the same? The shape is the same. Like these two are the same? Mm-hmm. These two are the same, and these two are the same. But is that the same as that? Mm-hmm. It is. So you only have to learn that one and that one. Yep, yep, and yep. Now the pinky thumb one. This is E to E. Good, good. Cross over to black. And then this is your goal. You're just working on that hand, and we're gonna do line 1 and line 2. Just get the left hand and the right hand first, and then next week I'll help you put them together.
And I will be playing for Elise.